Hi there, thanks for coming to this 5-minute class. I'm Jennifer Croft and I'll be teaching you an intro to SEO, which is also known as search engine optimization. If you like this class, we have a bunch of other free classes and resources for small businesses available at www.5minuteclasses.com. So let's start with what is search engine optimization. So SEO is really the art and science of optimizing the pages of your website so that they can get to the top of Google, Yahoo, Bing, and the other smaller search engines. And if you're able to do this for your business or organization website, it can really pay off in terms of a ton of free traffic. And I say that traffic is free as opposed to, for example, if you wanted to place ads at the top of Google where you see those paid advertisements. Depending on the type of business or industry, those clicks can run anywhere from $5 to $7 a click to $25 to $50 a click, and even as high as $100 to $300 per click. So if instead you're able to use SEO to get some of that free traffic, it can really help it can really benefit your business or organization. And I would honestly think that every single website should do at least basic SEO, because we know that more and more people are turning to Google and the other search engines to find what they want. So if you want to be known, you really need to be to the top of those search engines. So I'm going to talk about Google because Google is responsible for the vast majority of search engine traffic, 65 to 80% depending on what stat you believe. And if you please Google by default, you're going to please Yahoo and Bing. And so if you haven't noticed lately, it's getting more and more crowded on page one of Google. There's all kinds of different listings on there. And I've got them listed here, and then I'll show you examples. These are the paid ads. These are quick answer boxes. These are images. This is the local listing. These are video results. This is what's called the carousel. And so those are great to get to the top of Google that way, but most of SEO is aimed at trying to get some of these classic, or what we call organic listings. And organic or natural, they're also referred to as free. And natural because you naturally made your way to the top. You didn't buy your way to the top, is where that comes from. So just some quick facts about Google. They use more than 200 parameters to decide which sites and pages to send to the top, and they change that algorithm, they adjust it slightly 450 to 500 times per year. And they're always trying to adjust it to give users the best result. And so here are some of the top parameters out of those 200. So here are some of the biggies, which is Google cares about how big the site is, how old the domain or the website is, how many backlinks are coming into the site. And a backlink is a link from someone else's website into your site. And Google views those kind of as a vote or an endorsement. And so the more votes you have, the better. Google also likes fresh content. And we also know that Google looks at engagement stats. Um, how many pages did someone look at? Did they bounce back and do another search because that wasn't a very good result? How much time did they spend on the site? And one of the big parameters is how closely the content on your page matches what someone typed into Google. And so one of the best things you can do for SEO is put up a bunch of content so that you can try to bump into those search queries. So if you're going to do search engine optimization on your own, these are the basic steps of it, which is to perform keyword research, write effective meta tags, write optimized content, build links into your site, and make sure that your website provides a good user experience. And these first four, I've done another class on each of those if you want to go learn more about how to do each of those steps. If you decide instead that you don't have the time or energy or desire to tackle it on your own, you can hire an SEO consultant or agency. But these are some tips for doing that, which is, first of all, get some references from other small businesses that they've worked with. Learn about their strategies and approaches and make sure that they're all best practices, that they're not doing anything that violates Google's recommendations or guidelines. You might also get a list of the specific SEO work that will be done on your site. And finally, I think it's really important that you ask for some before and after metrics that will be tracked. so that you can see if what you're paying for is actually paying off. And some of the most common metrics are: what search engine ranking positions did you have before the work and after the work? In other words, were you on in the third position on Google, the 100th position on Google for some of the popular keyword phrases that you want for your business? You also want to look at traffic to the website. Did they increase traffic to the website? And finally, you really care about conversions and sales. So keep your eye on those metrics. Here are some good next steps you can take to do more with SEO. Here's a worksheet that's just a general marketing worksheet that you can use. And finally, we have a free newsletter you can sign up for. Just go to the website. So thanks for coming to this class, and best of luck with your business.